Here is the old payment link that I want to disable after the promo that was over. And to do that, click on the payments option around the bottom left of the screen. Select on payment links option just right here. Then you may select which payment link you want to disable by hovering your mouse on top of it and select these three horizontal points at the right side of that payment link. And then click on the Deactivate button. This window will pop up and you can change the default message by switching on this toggle. If it's fit you, you can try to redirect your customer to a new payment link just like I did to avoid losing sales from the dead links. But if you don't feel like it, just leave them be to the default message. After that, click on the Deactivate button. And just like that, here is the previous payment link I showed you first after we deactivate it. The client will see the screen and will not be able to purchase with this payment link. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.